So today we're going to work on clicker mechanics, cleaning up the process of clicking and treating. If you're clicking as you're reaching into the pouch, the click is being overridden by the act of you reaching in. So the dog is going to be thinking about getting the treat, not what it was that they did in order to get the click. So what we're going to do is just practice clicking, reaching, delivering, and starting again. We'll do this by getting a behavior from Hope. We're going to do stand. So I clicked her for the act of standing. I reached in and got the treat, and we're going to start again. Spin. Worked on spin, got the click in, then the treat. Place. So again, it's important. You click first, then treat, and then start your next procedure. That'll do.